I got this one pictured and videoed, and I got that one pictured and videoed. I'm gonna have to do them all over. Okay, breeder's out. It's like my third trip. Nick was supposed to be here this morning. This is his. Well, if we don't show, it'll be his 7th day of a no-show. One day was rained out, so I will give him that. But it's about 7:55, and he ain't here. She just called me to tell me he would be here, or he was leaving about a half an hour. Oh, he missed the first bus, and he's waiting for the second one. Nick was gonna be on the, oh jeez, the 6:50. And he keeps giving me all these weird times. That don't work. And I'm getting a little sick and tired of the time that somebody comes to work being just whatever time they can roll out of bed. So we're gonna have to change it, to say the least. Okay, well, I'm out here, and there is some interesting stuff on this car. Number one, the speaker system. I just took it out, and I had to come get my driver to start in on the mirror. Jeez, got that thing on hard screw, and it's hard screw. There we go. Look at this. Plastic tray around the actual wire in an 80 type car. 84. So that goes around there. Boom. This goes on that to hold that on with a metal ring, and then this goes in the center. So it's actually a Hitachi. I don't know if they still make speakers, but I know that's loose now. I just don't know how to get to that piece. Okay, we'll look at that in a second, huh? Meanwhile, there was a color. There we go. One. Two. Oh, geez. Okay. Now, will I even upload this? I don't know. I should have known I didn't have this one out. But I'm thinking there was nothing on that edge over there. There we go. Hey.
What's up, man?
What's up? I'll be a few minutes here. I'll talk to you. So what's the going on? The what?
Just dealing with life problems.
What happened for like 4 days?
Going through a lot of shit.
The what?
It's a family trouble.
Oh, back with your mom and stuff?
Troubles. Yeah, dude. My grandma's in the hospital.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
She's not. They said she may go, she may not. I've been dealing with my girl. The kid.
Okay. Basically, I did this one not like I want to do it. And I'm going to want you to basically start taking... You got any kind of list? Do you have anything from before? I mean, where am I doing here? Am I starting from scratch with you?
The last thing that I was working on was a cable that goes to the windows.
Okay, but what about what all kind of stuff do you have on your list? I know you've got some stuff. Do you... It's important to have a list. And I actually want to just clip this. But back there, I see what I want. I'm going to grab my gauge cluster right now. See, like right now, just having somebody go grab me bags. Will make life easier. He ain't got it on his list, almost guaranteed.
The only thing we got left on the list that we have is tearing these two cars apart.
Okay.
Pieces and stuff.
The what?
For all the scrap pieces.
Okay. I want you to mess around with that, and God, it's almost there, and I could do it from the back. I just don't know what is holding me on.
You trying to get this whole thing off?
We almost got the dash out. Hold that, please. I mean, I've got most of it. The gauge cluster's almost... It should be out right now. But I don't think... Come on, baby. I don't think that this is going to... Oh, come on. Are you serious? Okay, to be quite honest. Get that back piece out. Just go ahead and start working on that back piece. Oh, this is ridiculous. There is nothing. It's got to be under that. It's just got to. Bam! Ha ha ha, you sap sucker.
Hey, Nate, we gonna take this window off with this?
Yes, the whole window's gonna go. As it spins on me because I can't get it in there? Well, no, that didn't sound good. Okay, now I need help. Let's see what happens if you lift that up and try to go out. Okay.
Looks like it's gonna go.
Okay, I've got stuff hooked up here to the back of this. Give me a minute. I just want to cut that whole loom. I do.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of wires back here.
I'm just gonna cut the whole loom. I really am. I wish I had a fucking sawzall out here. Oh wow, I could just unhook it all too. Okay, you're going to have to see what is hooked up on the back of the air conditioner. Look on the back of the switches.
A lot of wires, man.
Yeah.
They can all just come out.
Yeah, I'd like to get these out of here, but it's just, I think it's gonna have to be cut on these. There's just nowhere to, ooh, there we go, maybe. Yeah, buddy. Come on. Once you get your finger in, you can get it all in. Come on, baby, last one. Whew. You gotta come up for air.
No, it's pretty hot up here.
It fucking is.
We got one cord over here that's like
It's not.
attached to it.
Well, what is it?
I don't really know what kind of cord it is.
Okay. Let me look.
It looks like it's the air conditioning.
Oh, come on. You're almost there. Well. We got more too. What do you got? Let me in there. Wow, that's a different locking mechanism too.
There we go.
Okay, so now,
This whole piece should come out.
once we get this out from underneath it, I think that off the selector, ground. Okay, I'll go there and lift it up. Okay, hang on, because we're gonna break our window switches. You got the part? Yeah. You want me to bring it over?
Yeah, you want to bring it over? I'll put it on.
Okay.
Holy shit.
That was fun.
Yeah, it was.
I love taking car. Okay, now this part here, this is probably about 75 to 100 bucks. It's your squirrel cage motor.